Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of keeps freezing on the application of Remitly app. We go to settings. In this page we go to apps, default apps, app settings. On above you will search about Remitly app and you will click. Here in this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here you will click on clear cache. But pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account. Here you can turn off your Wi-Fi and you can turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.